Grammar classes, and today's our topic is the prepositions. So, what are prepositions? Prepositions are the words placed before a noun or pronoun to indicate place, time, source, and direction, and also positions, etc. So these are known as prepositions. For example, in the room, towards the city, through the forest. All these words are prepositions which are showing some direction, time, or position. After that, there are some uses and some types of preposition written here which we use in our sentences. So let's begin with this. And in. And is used for a smaller concept of showing space and time. For example, Kusha was born. Kusha lives at Raipur. Now, it is used for a broader concept of space and time. Like, there are many visiting spots in Jaipur. So, when we do small concept, we use and. And when we talk about big thing or big spaces, we use in. After that, we have on, in, and. Now, what is on is used for? On is used for days and days. Like, it is the program is held on 4th of November. So we use on for dates and days. After this, it is in. It is used with months and year. It is used with month and year. Like this month is June. So it is in the month of June. This shows in as using months and years. After that, again it is at, which points on time. Like they had a party at 5 o'clock. So these three words on, in, and at, which are used for days, months, years, and time. After that, it is in and into. It denotes position of rest. Means it is in a rest position. Like he was sitting in the room. It is a rest position. So we will use in. Now, when he shows motion, like he is walking into the room. So into is used for motion. After that, it is on and above. Here also same. On is used for the rest position with rest position of anything lying on the surface. Like the lamp is on the table, the book is on the bench. So for the rest position we use on. And for the motion we use upon. For example, the cat jumped upon the table. The monkey jumped upon the tree. So these were used upon. After that, it is with and above. With refers to the instrument employed for doing anything. It is the instrument for doing anything, like bar relates and bar relates to a agent. For example, Sohan beat his dog with a stick. I am writing with a chalk. So whenever you use two things together, that comes with. And for arranging, we use by. Like this all is written by my man. So we by refers to an agent. After that, we will use words between and among. Between word is used to compare two people, to compare the quality of two people, anything of two people or two things. Like this stick, for example, between is for example, the two brothers quarreled between themselves. This bottle is bigger and this bottle is smaller. So we are comparing between these two bottles. So for this, we will use between. Now among. Among is used for more than two persons, like the three brothers quarreled between them. The three bottles, these two bottles, this thing are different among each other. So this is the use of among. After that, it is beside and besides. Beside is used for the side of. For example, she came and sat beside me. In my side. So say beside me. And besides means something in addition to. Like besides this stick, I also brought a box of chalk. So if you are taking something another also with you, that then you will use beside and beside is used for comparing something on the side. After that, last is since, for, and from. These words are used to point a time. Something, for example, I have been ill since 2 days. I was born from that age to this. I am this year old. So these words are used for a point of time. So these all are the prepositions which we use commonly in our sentences. So I hope you all understood this topic and we will end our class here. Let's meet in our next class.